Dietary Proteins. Introduction. Amino acids are made up of proteins that can be rebuilt to form new amino acids. Select true or false. Correct. Amino acids are known as the building blocks of protein. Once protein is broken down into amino acids, it can be reused to form different proteins. The body can make some of the amino acids it needs. Select true or false. Correct. Which of the following foods are a balanced, complete source of amino acids? Choose one of the following options. 1. Beans. 2. Beans and rice. 3. Cheese. Correct. Which of the following is a complete source of protein? Choose one of the following options. 1. Brown rice. 2. Soy. 3. White flour. 4. White rice. Correct. Soybeans have all of the essential amino acids. Always try to eat a variety of protein sources throughout the day. Eating only a few sources may not provide you with all of the amino acids you need. An incomplete dietary protein is food that does not contain all the essential amino acids. Which of the following is an incomplete source of protein? Choose one of the following options. 1. Almonds. 2. Barley. 3. Black beans. 4. All of the above. Correct. It is important to combine different sources of protein to get all the amino acids your body needs. Thank you for using Explain.